Hi, I am Tarek and welcome to Dotbot YouTube channel. This is an attention video. Before going through this course, I want to give you an attention. I have one request to you. Please do not attack any unknown website without its owner permission. If you do this, maybe you will face any bad situation. Even it depends on your country's cybersecurity law. So before driving through this course, please read and be careful about your country's cybersecurity law. Practice all attacks inside your penetration testing lab, what we'll make in next few videos. If you face any bad situation for your bad work, I won't be guilty for you, because this series is only for educational purpose, and you have to take it on your mind that you are not going to do anything bad with other about through this knowledge. Hope you can understand. Thank you.